Wipro Project Management, Core Lessons from Tech Giant. It takes vision, creativity.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Creative thinking and strategic execution to describe the experience of Wipro's massive change from a small vegetable oil company in 1945 to a world leader in technology. Wipro Project Management has been vital to this success, helping to guide its expansion and establish its standing as a major force in the technology industry. This article examines how Wipro Project Management has influenced its development and focuses on businesses hoping to do well similarly. The role of Wipro Project Management in growth. The company's worldwide success is largely due to Wipro Project Management, which ensures that resources, objectives, and deadlines all work together seamlessly. With a strategic focus, it greatly increases impact and efficiency by integrating each project with Wipro's long-term goals. By proactively addressing issues like market breakdowns and identification and mitigation. Changing customer demands, a purposeful approach aids in risk. Advanced tools in AI and real-time dashboards make it easier for diverse teams to collaborate. Wipro employs methodologies like Agile and Scrum to drive digital transformation, enabling swift delivery of complex solutions. Continuous improvement through feedback loops fosters innovation and optimizes outcomes. From modernizing Fortune 500 companies to spearheading cloud migrations and sustainability projects, Wipro Project Management demonstrates excellence in delivering impactful results. By combining expertise, technology, and adaptability, it ensures every project contributes to Wipro's growth while solidifying its leadership in the global tech landscape. Key projects under Wipro Project Management. Wipro's ascent to prominence is marked by a series of impactful projects that highlight its commitment to excellence. Below are some examples of how Wipro Project Management has played a critical role. Digital transformation for enterprises. Wipro has undertaken large-scale digital transformation initiatives for leading global organizations. These projects have modernized business operations, improved customer experiences, and strengthened Wipro's position as a digital solutions provider. Cloud migration excellence. The shift toward cloud-based infrastructures is essential in the tech world, and Wipro Project Management has been instrumental in executing successful cloud migration projects. By decreasing risks, these programs offer that companies increase productivity and scalability. Initiatives for green energy and sustainability. Wipro's dedication to sustainability is shown by its numerous eco-friendly and renewable energy projects, which are led by its skilled project management techniques. Such efforts show Wipro's dedication to hitting a balance between environmental responsibility and profitability. Pillars of Wipro Project Management success. Wipro's project management approach thrives on four foundational pillars: strategic planning and execution. Every project begins with comprehensive planning, ensuring that objectives are clearly defined, resources are allocated optimally, and risks are minimized. Wipro Project Management excels in turning plans into actionable outcomes. Agility in methodologies. Agility is crucial in today's dynamic market. Wipro Project Management adopts Agile and DevOps practices, enabling swift adaptation to changing project requirements while maintaining high-quality deliverables. Management driven by technology. Wipro uses the most recent advances in technology, like process automation and artificial intelligence, to improve productivity and optimize project workflows. Wipro Project Management is known for its tech-first strategy. Cooperation among stakeholders. For a project to be successful, cooperation between various teams and geographical locations is essential. By permitting open communication between all parties at play, Wipro Project Management makes sure that projects are in line with corporate objectives. Challenges encountered in Wipro Project Management. Even an industry leader like Wipro faces challenges while managing large-scale projects. These challenges provide valuable lessons for other organizations. Balancing risk and innovation. As a pioneer in tech innovation, Wipro navigates the fine line between implementing cutting-edge solutions and mitigating associated risks. Wipro Project Management employs robust risk management frameworks to address potential setbacks. Managing global teams. Coordinating international teams across time zones and cultures requires exceptional leadership and communication. Tools like collaborative platforms and structured processes are integral to Wipro Project Management's success. Customer-centric delivery. Delivering value to customers is a top priority. By maintaining transparent communication and exceeding expectations, Wipro Project Management ensures high levels of customer satisfaction. Lessons learned from Wipro Project Management. Wipro's project management strategies provide actionable insights for organizations seeking to replicate its success. Adopt agile practices. Flexibility is critical in managing dynamic projects. Agile methodologies offer adaptability and efficiency. Invest in technology. Use tools that help with resource management, automation, and data analytics. Encourage stakeholder engagement. Consistent communication with stakeholders promotes trust and makes sure alignment. Put employee development first. Employees who receive training and upskilling have a greater capacity to handle challenging projects. The industry impact of Wipro Project Management. The success of Wipro Project Management extends beyond the organization itself. Its practices set benchmarks for the tech industry, influencing how businesses approach project management for digital transformation, sustainability, and innovation. The success of Wipro serves as an example to the transformational power of good project management. Businesses can attain operational excellence and gain a competitive advantage in their respective industries through the use of the Wipro Project Management principles. Ready to lead your projects like Wipro? At SprintSeal, we provide comprehensive training in business management, cybersecurity, and project management to empower professionals like you.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.